But I want to say this. Obi obe ka button as and describing the you say that for any pony the only thinker. Obi obe criticize the ye no be asani pan we ni pony ni only thinker.
The body bags, yes.
Yeah, the gum, me and Sam Nanny. Baby, a queer no, you are seeing for helicopter, intimate landing. Yentimi for Mutunko, Yentimi for Bidianko, and Samalabwadi was speaking with the NCE for Boise on the aircraft at Enkawa. We need to be a city. Over a woman. Now, I want to say something briefly about Yawa. Yenyanoma, Omatofom, Omoma, the Omoyenu, and Nemo, Nama says, you're careful about your sentiments. Yenny Casa, Yenya Yeti, Yenim Koya, Ebefa, so I ever call. The Yenina, Tribble, Yen Casa, so. Indeed, yeah, discussions, yeah, can't answer them or social media. We should be very sensitive to what the affected families are going through. Now, throughout, I have tried never to pass a comment because I made many who are there and want some kind of thing. But I want to say this: if you have a couple of us and describing the you say that for any pony the only thinker. Obi obe criticize the ye no be asani pan or any pony the only thinker. And who told you that we did not go with body bag? And who told you we didn't have them? Who told you we didn't have them? So anybody or doubt can contact the managing director of Anglo and the medical director of Anglo Good Health Hospital. I am the person that called for those things, and Anglo Good made them available.
Oh, in fact, Chief, we cried your reporters, pictures on the brain, videos on the brain. Later we saw the body bags. Yes,
yeah, gum, me and Sam Nani. Baby, a queer no, you are seeing for helicopter, intimate landing, intimate for Mutunko. Yentimi for Bidianko, who helicopter, you know, 2 helicopters at the Kumasi airport, standing by. 2 military helicopters, the helicopter and the Casa, they were all stationed at the Kumasi airport, standing by for evacuation. But who the back would have people on the Abubano so any? Who the fire any? And mind you, it's a forest zone. And the weather conditions and conducive armor plane and safe landing. The aircraft went to the Lankley airstrip on 2 occasions. Went to Free Stadium on 2 occasions. The weather did not allow for landing. It is nobody in his right frame of mind with that in that prevailing condition will send another aircraft there.
Oh,
when the weather had not improved.
It's a key effort and come landing.
Almost key effort on landing. And Samuel Abwadi was speaking with the NCE for Boise on the aircraft. Airstrip, Mumfa Meka and Maho. The Etienne land you, for Stadium, Mumfa Meka and Maho. So they made 2 attempts at the airstrip in Obasi. They made 1 attempt at the Free Stadium. What I say?
Wow.
In the Yenia, the best, we didn't know. The best bottle cramp it will be young for no one get me for Mumba. Condition fire, this in room. People should not compel us to explain at the end of thing, picture Yahoo, because maybe almost a whole or more addition and view. No may torture or more given or man with explanations. We should rather commend only our cohort for the bravery that they showed that day. The fire servicemen that went to the side because all Konopan and that form, if we could move to the belly of the mountain and yet halo, it's a mountain we are talking about. The whole day or the 1 hour 30 minutes never climbing. Only a whole day, only 2 hours and never climbing. So the effort that we made to get the people down. And be able to raise 8 coffins within the space of 45 minutes. And give them dignity by transporting them to Accra. People should commend the effort of the people who led the process. They should comment what we are going through. Don't but nobody. Let's read the commentary should be one that comforts the affected family. We should not be compelled to be explaining what transpired on that day. Oh yes, sir. Now there are a lot of the mental picture that we should not create on the minds of the affected victims. Which there are some pictures they should not have. And can one who needs to be a city. Papa woman, most of the explanation and won't near mouth. The family do not need to know exactly what has gone on because it will be difficult for them to have closure in their minds. So let's help manage the psychology of the survivors of this accident victim, Miss Remo. Ghana for yes, Remo. Mama Yangini, Omo Yuni, Omo Banho. They discussions and I've been the other analysis.
Yeah.
Whether church, no man will be who chance picture be up to, a bias car, oh, simple, a bit much.
Just in fact, a revelation out there, my no pay and I just looking at it.
A bit much, say, yeah, idea, who were you, Mr. No. Yame, and on him quiet or far so bonipa, late me friends woman. Maybe I knew, and so can I see me up could go no bin. Yame, and no bonipa. No name quiet or far so, yeah,
I agree with you. I agree with you. From afar, people, the other things that man for kick on social media.
Okay, kind now can they out there. Open kind. Who means the terrain? No? You don't even know what we have gone through. In the air corner, he said, training in radar. In the air corner, not air corner, you're playing. Young was there will be a wow.
In fact,
the first thing we must do is to look for survivors. Because if we got there, we felt that we could identify 4 people alive. Because they're in this case, honorable guy, but mom, you can call we identify 4 people. So our hope was that we'll find 4 alive. And our effort was here towards finding people alive, not identifying the dead. So when we were confronted with the bare fact that now we can't have anybody alive, then we ought to look at how we are going to transport them in their condition now. If I walk home,
in fact, yes.
Any luxury. The good thing is that whichever state we found them in, you can't describe it. Those who get that, you need national awards. But a common fund, a Yakupon shower.
Yeah.
I think that as government, we should go and do something to honor that town.
Yeah, no, now Dr. Samuel Fie can say
a common fund. Yeah, they are marvelous. Obi eton Wellington boat. Maybe they call them one this car.
Wow.
The view now or come on now. A chain the intimate for body bags and funnel. On my cocoa sacks, I'm some of that. We took around 26 from him. We changed it 3 times to get to the belly of the mountain. But on at the time, Prebe me and Saturday, what the woman to take me aside Jeff of Aqua. Near Cossack. Near Banet, near Sanko Freno. What some might be. We made a pot of praise in one day, and this come.
Chief, the Kakrawa can I be chilling? I mean, chilling.
We should tone down on the analysis.
That's it. Near when you now so come away, you don't kind of full moon, then the Nina, Omonina, o come on say
me em wa kwa say ni pebu ha ye population census ye kan am kan
want say population census ye kan bi no kan
ye kan ni pe am kan say ye pe ni pa organ ha me kan am ka Ghana for
but say Ghana there for us to understand categories of people I want to
utie ni kasa no wa free ni party biam ndika ye kan nipa ken kan omo kan oni atenka oni party biam ndika e do e dia say population e census na e dia we do the other station na ya kan omo kan yan kan omo cause o de o ka population na population go kwa
came my phone see I were home to the ye hwe kwan be fa so be free wine Dr. Samarfi so